Hey friends, it's Selena from Wisco Bujo and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be unboxing Notebook Therapy's Vintage Rose collection. Notebook Therapy kindly gifted me these stationery items, and I am so excited because I ended up using the washi tape collection and the stamp collection in my 2022 February Bujo setup. So please make sure to check out my February setup to see how I incorporated these items. Alright, let's get started. So first we have the Vintage Rose bullet journal. So I actually ended up getting the smaller size, which is actually their original size, but of my past 4 Suki journals, they have all been A5 size because that's just the size I've always used for all of my bullet journals. I've been journaling since 2018 and I have like 6 Bujos and they are all A5 size, so I thought why not, I will try out a different size this time around, and so far it is so little and cute. I can't wait to use it. I'm thinking that I'm maybe going to use it for my second half of my 2022 setup, so that would be July to December, but I haven't decided yet. And of course there is a little paper clip in the back of the bullet journal. In all of their Bujos they have a cute little paper clip that relates to the theme. So here is a A5 size just for comparison. As you can see, it is slightly smaller, but it's still not as small as a B6 Bujo. But if you like the bullet journal but you want a slightly smaller size, I would recommend this one. I think you can also check out Leela Journal's 2022 Bujo setup because she used the original size instead of the A5 size. Moving on to the washi tape collection, I just think this box is so beautiful, and it is so nice because this time it is a pull-out box instead of a box that has a lid. I feel like because the box style is like this, I actually kept all of the washi tapes inside the box. Usually I take them all out and put it in my Michaels washi drawers. As always, there are 3 sticker sheets that pertain to the washi tape collection theme. These stickers are just absolutely gorgeous, and I did end up using the gold foil ones on my Bujo February 2022 cover. Now I'm just going to go ahead and swatch the washi samples in a sticker book. So the sticker book is made out of this paper that is similar to the release paper on stickers, so you can stick them on the sheet and then peel them back up again when you want to use them, and it doesn't tear or stick to the paper permanently. I just like doing it this way because I can lay out all the washi tapes from a set and see how it all looks like, and then use the washi tape again later. I'm just going to let the washi tapes speak for themselves, and I will check back in when we open up the Vintage Rose stamp collection. Alright, so that is the Vintage Rose washi tape collection. I have to say that my favorite roll is the one on the middle right with the beige background and the music notes and love letters. I just think it's so beautiful, and I'm definitely going to use it for a layering type spread later on. Now moving on to the Vintage Rose stamp collection. This collection is just so gorgeous, and it basically set the tone for my February theme because it had all these beautiful floral elements with the roses, as well as these postal elements that you basically can use in any type of layering aspect. I was both happy and bummed when I got this collection. Happy because it's a beautiful collection and now I get to use it, but a little bummed only because for December 2021 I did a holiday and postage type theme where I used a bunch of postal mail stamps, and these stamps would have just been perfect for that theme. Now I'm just going to go ahead and stamp all of the stamps so you guys can see them up close, and I will check back in with you at the end of the video. And that's it for the Vintage Rose stamp collection, and it is just so pretty. My favorite ones are the postal ones because I feel like they're very versatile and I can use for any type of layering theme. I hope you all enjoyed unboxing this Vintage Rose collection from Notebook Therapy with me, and if you're interested, my affiliate code is Wisco Bujo. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!